Hello everyone, and welcome to the third episode on Introduction to Cisco Packet Tracer. I promise this is going to be the last episode on Introduction to Packet Tracer, and from the next episode on we will definitely go hands-on and downloading Packet Tracer and start working on this software. Anyway, so let's get started. Okay, Packet Tracer, like any other simulation software, relies on a simplified model of networking devices and protocols. That means that the device models and device command lines and UI and the protocols that are working within these devices are simulation based, and they have been simplified. So you actually will not be able to find all of the functionalities and all of the features that exist on real hardware, or the protocols that have been implemented on real iOS devices. In Packet Tracer, most of these devices and protocols, they have been simplified, and of course the real computer networks, be it hands-on in person or remotely, being accessed remotely, remains the benchmark for understanding network behavior and developing networking skills. But of course, if you have the possibility to buy your hardware or buy some type of subscription to many services that are available that you can remotely access them, and they will provide you with real hardware on cloud. So of course that would be better for you if you want to learn networking that way, but that comes with a price. You have to pay the price, or you have to buy the hardware. So the best way, at least for novices and beginners in networking, to use Packet Tracer, and it's definitely more than enough, and it has more than enough functionality to make you familiarize with networking and learn the basics of networking. I would say not only basics, but basics to intermediate level. So basically, Packet Tracer was created to help address the digital divide in networking education, where many students and teachers, they do not have access to equipment or bandwidth or interactive modes of learning networking. So Packet Tracer is one of the ways so that you could actually create your networks without the need to have the hardware. And in most cases, having the hardware is very costly, but Packet Tracer is a very free software, so that will definitely help many people around the world, and it's a great software from Cisco, and a very valuable solution that they have provided. That's it. Thank you very much. Please stay tuned for next episodes. We will start hands-on on Packet Tracer, and please let me know in the comments section if you have any questions, anything that you would like to ask. Please put your comments down below, and I will try to answer them either in a video or directly in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions. Thank you, and I will see you in the next episode.